Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss on table methods. So how we can use the table methods. Okay. So here we have a sample table which I have created, and now there is a methods here. Right, if you just right click on a methods, so you will able to see override. So these are all predefined methods that is available, means it is already available in the system. So for example, if you wanted to write some delete method, so whenever the record is deleted, or if you wanted to write some validations, okay, validate delete means if you are going to delete a record, so at that particular time if you wanted to validate any record, uh, so these methods are already existed methods, so means these are all predefined methods. Okay, so if you do not find, or if your requirement doesn't matches this predefined methods, what you can just do it is you can create a new method also. Okay, this is how that you can use the methods in your Microsoft Dynamics 365. Thank you.